that I'm not 100% sure on. I love all of the pieces separately, and I love the way the jumper and the skirt and the boots look together. I think the coat's beautiful, but I think that this may look slightly better with a slightly lighter tone, more camel coat, rather than the more kind of rich, chestnutty, browny tone of the coat I styled it with. But anyway, I think the outfit is gorgeous in itself. I think the coat is beautiful. It's from a brand called Quaint, and it is 20% cashmere and 80% wool. It feels such beautiful quality, really lovely coat, and actually I think it would probably work really well with an all black outfit as well, because it's such a rich tone. I think it would work really well styled with an all black look. This is a cashmere jumper from Everlane, but this outfit would work with any kind of crew neck jumper. In fact, I actually mentioned in a previous video that Amazon Fashion do some really great crew neck jumpers for under £20, and they feel really lovely quality as well. So I'll leave those linked as a more affordable alternative. And then this beautiful cream ribbed skirt is from & Other Stories. It's a really super stretchy, heavy knit, really beautiful quality. It just flows really lovely, and it's like the perfect wintry white skirt. And then on my feet I have got on these gorgeous suede boots from ASOS, which match perfectly with the jumper. And then for my jewellery I have just popped on these two serpentine chains. So I've got the long one on first, and then this bottom one has actually got a chain extender on it. Majority do chain extenders, so if you like a necklace but it's not quite long enough, you can get a chain extender and then it just sits slightly lower. So these are actually the same length, but one's got an extender on it. And then I've just got in the chunky gold hoops from before, and my cream Coach bag to finish off the look.